Hey, this is Slap Out Lash Girl Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to bring you the skincare today that I've been using, and I absolutely love it. My skin has improved so much by using this, and it's 4 products. Yes, it is. So come on with me. I want to show you how this works. So it's called Ice Elements. It's a 2-minute miracle gel, and it has 4 different stages that we do, okay? But this is the first thing that you use. This is a gel. And what this does, you put it all over your face. You leave it on, I don't know. I usually leave it on. They say 30 seconds to, I usually go a minute, okay? Just because I got old skin, okay? So I will show you how to use this. I will show you how to use the serum, the eye serum. It's got all kinds of great stuff. So come on. I want you to learn how to do this because it has made a huge difference in my skin. It's made a huge difference in the pores on my face. Make sure you get your hair out of the way. But this is the 2-minute miracle gel. Now, this goes all over your face. See, it is a gel. Isn't that cool? And take your fingers and just put it all over your face. All over. Just like this. It looks blue in here, but it really kind of goes on clear. But what you're going to have to do is wait. And I usually wait once I get this on. Let me kind of put it underneath my eyes right there, because I think it does help that area too. And then what you do is let this set. I usually let it set for about a minute. It needs to dry a little bit. Now, on the bottle, it says maybe 65 seconds or whatever. But I let it stay just a little bit longer, because what this does, once it kind of dries down, you're going to take your fingers and you're going to go all over, and it's going to slough off all the dead skin cells on your face. And I was truly skeptical about this until I did it. And then when I put my makeup on, oh my goodness, the pores were like non-existent. Absolutely, totally different. So let me let this set, and then I'll show you how I work this baby. Okay, this is ready. And now what I'm going to do is use my hands, my fingers, and we take this and you massage it all over your face. And you can feel the exfoliation all over. It feels so good. And I really love to work in this area, and I do really lightly under my eyes. Not a whole lot of scrubbing there, okay? But make sure you get this area really good. And you can feel it. So let me come up here and do the top of my forehead, the sides. And I did put a little bit across my eyelid here, because it needs love too, okay? So, and then after I get done doing this, and you can feel it. You can feel the little abrasiveness to it. It's not going to hurt your skin. Oh, it just feels so good. And your skin is just going to be glowing. The first time I did it on my Facebook page, Unique by Melissa, and wow, it was such a huge difference. I was hooked at that point. So let me take my little towel, wipe it off my hands. Now, at this point, you do have to go wash your face and rinse it all off and dry it. And then we head on to the next steps that really just make your skin feel like heaven. I'm serious. So let me go, and I'm going to use my Youth Collection cleanser. This has a little bit of exfoliant in it itself, and it's so good for mature skin. I'm 63 now, so let's see what we can get. I'm going to come right here, because that's my problem area, and I'm really going to scrub really hard there. Okay, let me go wash this off, and I'll be right back. Wow, look at the glowing skin. Can you believe it? Oh my goodness. So I did wash my face off. You don't have to use a cleanser. You can just rinse it. Sometimes I like to just rinse it and then use my little cleanser just to make sure that I've gotten everything off. And then I just kind of pat it and toss that away. don't have anywhere else to put it. So, what do you think? Isn't that glowing skin? And it feels so good. And this is where I kind of go and I look at my pores. And it's amazing. I don't know if I can get up close to you. But my pores are nice. Nice. It just sloughs off all the dead skin. Which is something we need to do consistently, really, as we age. The cell turnover is not as great as when we were young. So we really do need to think about that, okay? So the next thing I'm going to put on, we have a 2-minute Miracle Peptide serum. And I'm going to use this. I love this, I do. It's just a serum. See, it's not heavy or sticky. And then you're going to apply this onto your skin. And yes, I put it on my eyelids and under my eyes. If I could put it in the bathtub, I'd probably just do that and lay down in it. Do my whole body. Oh my goodness, that feels good. And it's no heavy scent or anything like that. So if you're thinking, does it smell? It does not. Does not. And then you're going to put the moisturizer over it. So this is the moisturizer. You can see I've been using this. I actually have already been through one, and this is my second round. But you buy this, and it all comes together. And it's called Ice Elements. I will link everything, because I really think this will be your new best friend. You're going to love it. Especially the peptides in it. Oh my gosh, that feels so good. Yes. And I like the fact that they've got a nice serum. Now, I'm going to put the rest of it on the back of my hands. Don't waste it, okay? Put it on your hands, because our hands need love too. You know, you may could just use this on your hands. I'm not sure. I hadn't thought about that. The whole thing. Yes. Now, this is the eye serum. See it? Ta-da. And I'm going to take this, and we're going to place it right under here. Oh, my goodness. That feels so darn good. And yes, I like to put it around these fine lines I have around my lips. Yeah, I do that. I do my under eyes first, and then I'm thinking if it's good for my under eyes, it's got to be good for this to help plump it up. What do you think? Oh my. Now, I'm going to go and get my coffee and do that kind of stuff. And this is my normal routine, like in the morning time. And so once I get everything kind of settles, I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you my makeup. Yes, my finished look, in other words. Let me get up close. Can you see? I mean, I got a lot of brown spots. Now, I am getting a chemical peel next week. So hopefully these brown spots will be gone and I won't have to deal with them anymore. Because you never know what might turn into cancer, you know? And so I don't want to take that chance. And I'm getting more and more and more and more of these, like all over. So it's just time to bite the bullet and get that done and start over. And then make sure that I take extremely good care of my skin. So that's the reason I have adopted this as my new best friend, okay? So, let me see what I can come up with, girlfriends. I'll be right back. And here we are with our finished look. What do you think? I just want to get up close so you can see. Look at that. Pores be gone. I think you need to give this a try. I think you will love it. I honestly do. And I absolutely love it. I've been using it for a while now. So, yay! See? This is how your skin can be. So, and I'm 63, girlfriends. So if I can do it, you can do it. Give it a try. Anyway, please like and share and click that notification bell. I'm here on Sundays only, and I love it when you come and hang out with me. Put in the comments something that you might want me to talk about for you. You know, something that your skin is not doing, or something your hair may not be doing. You know, I have baby fine hair, so that's always a good topic as well. So I will see y'all next week. I hope y'all have a fabulous day. See you later.